Alright, hello everyone. So today is going to be a pretty brief video on sunburning on your leaves or sun scorching or anything like that. So this is a problem that you may experience if you are placing plants in a direct light situation whenever they are not able to handle it or if they are not acclimated well enough to handle it. So I actually placed this baby rubber tree, pardon the fact that I need to stake it up, but I placed this baby rubber tree, or Peperomia obtusifolia, on my porch, and it actually received some bright direct sun for a period of time, and you can see that the foliage is scorched. So this looks different on different plants. However, it's pretty recognizable. Something with a really waxy cuticle like this, it does look like this. Other plants, it may just become more brown and less like a dark burnt color. However, if you experience this problem, there's not much you can do to fix the foliage that has burned. If I were you, I would recommend cutting off the burnt foliage because really it's damaged and it's not going to be very efficient for the plant. So I would recommend cutting off any burnt foliage that you have and allowing the plant to form new growth as it matures. Definitely move that plant away from its bright direct light situation that has caused the problem and give it more of an indirect light scenario. A baby rubber tree could handle some bright direct light. However, this went from being in my home and to a direct light situation very quickly, which definitely contributed to the fact that it got burnt. So if you do have plants that are able to take more direct light, such as a snake plant or a Dracaena, or even like a baby rubber tree like this, give it a period of time where it's not receiving any bright direct light and allow it to harden off and acclimate before you expose it to any direct sunlight. That way you don't shock the plant going from a less direct light situation to a very bright direct situation very quickly. So depending on the level of damage that you have because of sunburn, you could definitely propagate your plant. I had some people asking me, somebody left their Monstera out in the sunlight or their Adansonii out in the sunlight and it burnt a lot of the foliage. And you could definitely cut back that foliage and propagate the nodes in some soil or water. You can watch my different propagation videos that will be linked below and then kind of save your plant that way. Or you can just allow the plant to push out some new growth, granted that it has some chlorophyll and some sunlight left that it can absorb. So overall, sorry if you guys are experiencing some sunburn. Just pull that plant away from the light and it should bounce back relatively quickly. Yeah, everyone, hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.